Elu nwanyị beka anyị dị fere dịka ndị mmadụ na-ekwu ana m ahụ agụ na social media enwere ihe na-atọ stage atọ ekwele m.
Deep within the heart of Africa, where ancient traditions meet majestic landscapes, lies a hidden gem, the palace of His Royal Highness Eze Charles Chionye Nguli, the Egu II of Umwegu Obiohuru Afugiri Autonomous Community, Umuahia North Local Government Area, Abia State. A place of rich cultural heritage where the whispers of the past converge with the vibrant spirit of the present. Noble Stock Communication is honored to bring you an exclusive glimpse into this enchanting world as we meet with His Royal Highness to share stories, traditions, and the untold history of this captivating African village.
Mbadum nwere chi hala efe hala pok. My what? Okay,